Whenever you see me shooting a video with these cowries, of course, you already know that I'm about to do an Iwure Ojo Aje, or I'm about to talk about something Iwure related, prayer. And this time around, I want to address a particular trend subtly going on for a while now, which I'm not really comfortable with. You know, there is this trend going on in this modern day wokeness where many Africans are beginning to join the rest of the world in saying things like praying is a waste of time. Now, while I may respect that stance a bit, my opinion is that it isn't true in all cases. Now, prayer as a substitute for your own personal effort, that one is not just a waste of time, but a very ridiculous thing to do. But it would be falsehood to claim that it is entirely useless. And I know this because I'm Yoruba. The Yoruba word for prayer, you see, is not adura. That one is Arabic. Our own word for prayer is iwure. And what does that mean? Iwu, ire. It literally means to exhume goodness, to uproot positivity, prosperity. Or you can break it down as iwi, ire, to pronounce good things, to say out your good desires, to speak life, to vocalize positivity. There is no way you can convince me that that is useless, especially in a world which is controlled by words. Nothing happens in reality in this world unless it has first been spoken. How is a woman's heart won? How are contracts won? How are adverts done? How are people persuaded? All of these by speaking words. Our world is operated by the speaking of words. For life and death truly is in the power of the tongue. This is in fact why the Yoruba word for the word is oro. Ontoro, that which descends. It is alive. It is animate. And when you speak it, we say oso oro. So means to germinate. To sow oro is therefore to make the word germinate, meaning anything that proceeds from your mouth is a seed. It is a living thing and therefore can multiply, whether positively or negatively. So believing that your words are dead, that your words are useless, is directly antagonistic to being Yoruba. The very words we use to describe speaking already let us know that we perceive these things as not being ordinary. And when you agree that your words are quickening, then you will see the need to use them positively, which is all prayer is all about. Speaking positivity, voicing your good desires, uprooting good fortune and prosperity. Iwure, Iwure. Go subscribe to washere.com for more of positive content like this about this unique culture of ours that is Yoruba. Washere.